Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix we couldn't complete the updates undoing changes problem. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing to do is to go to your search bar and type services, then tap on it and you should look for Windows Update. As you can see now, I have found it. Then right click on it, then click on stop. As you can see, it will load right here. Then go to your PC, open the local disk C, then go to Windows and search for software distribution As you can see here, open this file, then select all the files right here and delete them all. Don't worry, they will regenerate again after we open the Windows Update service. Just delete them, then follow the next steps. And then after deleting the files, go back to services, and now you have to activate or start the Windows Update service. As you can see, go back to Windows Update, then right click on it and click on start. It will load again, and now the issue should be fixed. If you're still facing the same problem, all you have to do is to follow the steps in method 2. And the second method, you should go to the search bar and type msconfig. Choose this one right here and go to this category, boot. Select safe boot, then click on apply, then OK. And now you have to restart your PC. So I'm gonna restart my PC, then come back to you. Now after restarting your computer, you'll find out that your screen becomes black. And this is normal. This is the safe boot mode. But because I cannot record while using this mode, I will show you the same steps but on the normal mode. Now after restarting your PC and making it on the safe boot mode, all you have to do is to go to your search bar, then type appwiz.cpl and choose this option right here. Then go to view installed updates and search for the update that I will show right now. Choose this one right here, right click on it, then you will see uninstall option. But now because I'm using the normal mode, I cannot see it. But on the safe boot mode, you will find that you can right click on it and click on uninstall. And after doing that, you can go back to your search bar and type msconfig and go back, and you will see that this one is checked because you are on the safe boot. All you have to do is to uncheck it, then click on apply and OK. And now you have cancelled the safe boot mode, and you have also fixed the issue of downloading the updates. After that, you will have to restart your PC and the problem will be fixed. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.